All right, welcome to Bunnings Crash Repairs. This is the red Hyundai Getz that we spray painted a few weeks ago. And we're going to fix up the front chassis leg using bits from Bunnings. Good on you, Bunnings. So we've got an eyelet, a dynabolt, a heavy duty chain and a shackle. We're going to friggin' secure that to the concrete. And then we're going to jack up the chassis leg. We've got our oxy set up there. So we're going to drill in to the concrete and set in a 14mm dynabolt. So she's a big one. And we're going to bash that into the hole with a big hammer. Get in there. Fuck, that's a big dynabolt. All right, tighten up the dynabolt so it expands into the concrete. Take off the nut and then screw on our heavy duty eyelet from Bunnings. Tighten that up as well. Now we've got our anchor point into the concrete. Now we can roll the car over the front until the damage gets over that eyelet. And then just behind where it's damaged, we're going to anchor it down with a heavy duty chain and shackle from Bunnings. Okay, now we're going to heat up the damaged part of the front chassis leg. And that'll allow us to jack up the front and just bend that upwards. So I think it was about 50mm out, which is a decent amount for rebolting up your bumper bar and stuff. So we got this within 2mm on our first go, which is bloody awesome. And that's all our new parts fitted. Got our new cross member and radiator support, intrusion bar and bits and pieces. So there's the crack in the cross member. So that's all replaced. And there's our bumper bar that we spray painted. I'm not sure if these are fitted back up yet. I'll have to go back and check. So yeah, it worked out pretty awesome. So we can leave our eyelet in the ground if you like, or just put your nut on top, or just bash it into the floor. And there's our bonnet that we spray painted. Bloody awesome. Beauty.